Are you wondering how to become a full-time YouTuber, making a full-time living off of YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that with 3 easy steps in this video. So make sure to smash the like button down below already, and I will catch you guys right after the intro. Do you want to become a full-time YouTuber? 99% of the people that are watching this want to become a full-time YouTuber. Well, I have 3 tips and actually 3 requirements in order to become a full-time YouTuber and to do YouTube full-time as a living. So I would say let's move on to step number 1. Alright guys, so the first step is the most obvious one of all of those. Making money on YouTube to become a full-time YouTuber is crucial, because if you want to do YouTube full-time, what people understand with full-time is earning enough money to live from every month. And I would say if you want to live off of YouTube, I would say you would maybe at least earn $1,500 a month from YouTube. And I know there are so many YouTubers that are only making $5, $10 or $20 a month. That's basically a point where you are right now that you cannot start a YouTube career full-time, because you need the revenue. Because if you want to go ahead and pay rent and pay bills, pay taxes, you need the money from YouTube to do that. So making money is very important, and you can use various lots of methods. You can use the AdSense program, you know all the ads on your videos. You can also do affiliate links. When people click on your link, when they buy a product through your link, you'll get a commission because people bought it because of you, or because of your link. That's a source of income that you can also use to generate a little bit more money. And then also what I have been doing as well in the last few weeks is brand deals. So let's say a company wants to pay me $1,000 to make a video about their service, about they have like an intro maker website, or they can create like templates for anything like that. They can pay me that amount of money, and then I can use that to to live off, not to spend, for example, all the $1,000, like the $1,000 on cool stuff that I want, and like make sure that I can just go ahead and check out in the supermarket and everything like that. So that's basically what you can do. You can just use brand deals, affiliate marketing, and AdSense on YouTube to make money. And if you combine all of those, you can earn a sustainable amount. But what I would do is, in order to get those brand deals, you also need the views, because if your viewers are the product that you are selling the product to from the company that's paying you. If the company is paying me $1,000, for example, they want to make sure that my audience will go ahead and check out their website of the brand, and that they will purchase things and they will make well over $1,000. So at the end of the day, the advertiser wants to earn more money because of my promotion than they paid me. So those are a few tips you can use in order to make money. And let's move on to step number 2. Okay, so the second step is basically a topic that many people have done, and that is quitting school because of YouTube. So let's say that people are wanting to do YouTube full-time, for example, and they just don't go to school because it's boring, and who wants to learn these days? They just want to create videos. And I've seen so many people commenting, I have 500 views a month on YouTube and I'm doing YouTube full-time. Well, and obviously that doesn't really make any sense, because you cannot live off of 500 views a month. You cannot even live off of 500,000 views a month. So quitting school is pretty important, because let's say that YouTube in the future is becoming a platform where you cannot learn a living anymore off, because for some reason the algorithm changed and you're losing all your revenue, and you quit school, you didn't finish school, you didn't got your papers. So I would say make sure to just go ahead and finish school first instead of quitting school first, because like I've said, if YouTube is gonna disappear in terms of making money, you are just sitting there at the end of the day because you haven't finished school and you cannot find another job outside of YouTube. So that's a really important step, guys, and that is make sure to just finish school. And once you finish school, you can do anything you want. You have all those papers in order to go ahead and get a job outside of YouTube. And if you say like, I just want to go ahead and take a year off to try to start making videos and try to make a living, that's basically what you can do. So that's a huge thing, guys. Make sure that you don't quit school. Let's move on to step number 3. Okay, so never giving up is crucial because let's say that you've tried to do YouTube full-time for about 5 months now and you've generated maybe, you know, 0 to 50 subscribers. Well, I want to mention that, you know, YouTube success is not gonna happen overnight. It cannot even happen in 5 months or even a year. I started my channel that you're watching right now that I'm earning a full-time living off in August 2012. And I think I only could start living off YouTube, I would say, for in August 2016. So that's 4 whole years that I was not able to make a living off of YouTube because I wasn't earning enough. I was earning $200, $300, $100, $500, $600. So that is basically a really important step, guys, to never give up because you just want to go ahead and keep pushing the videos and be consistent, and you don't want to go ahead and think like, okay, right now I have 500 views a month. I want to go ahead and raise that to 5 million views a month in about 6 months time. Well, that's not gonna happen in case you're like blowing up on YouTube and doing something unique, you know, but that's what I want to mention, guys. This is how you do YouTube full-time. If the video went by too fast, make sure to just go ahead and rewind it and watch it again, and also share it so anyone else can see. So that's gonna be for this video, guys, and also for this week, because the upcoming few days I'll be moving houses and I'll be releasing the vlog of that new house very, very soon. So make sure to stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys obviously in the next video.